daily rituals. You might be following some rituals. Let me give you some idea how you can become better every day. So first objective is going to be the observation. You should invest at least 5 minutes to observe your goal card, to observe your printed goals, to have a look on your vision board. Do spend at least 5 minutes on the observation. Next comes is the reading. At least you should invest 15-minute time for reading. What you are going to read? You are going to read your affirmations. You are going to read the content related to your area of specialization, that is the niche. And third one, you are going to read reference material related to your area of specialization. Third section of daily ritual is writing. You should spend at least 15 minutes to write something. What you are going to write? You should write daily your goals. You should write daily about your checklist, and you should write what are your 6 achievements today you are going to have. I'm going to share a special template also, so you can follow those templates and work out on the daily rituals. The last section is about the listening. Remember, these are all going to contribute for your better version. Listening include, you should invest at least 25 minutes of time. What exactly you're going to listen? You're going to listen your own created affirmations. You are going to listen to the strangest secret. In the description, I'm going to share the link, especially I'm going to share both the links, The Strangest Secret by Earl Nightingale in English and also in Hindi. You choose which one you want to listen. I recommend you to go for English so that you can understand exactly the way Earl Nightingale has specified. So if you follow these 4 daily rituals, that is the observation, second reading, third writing, and fourth is listening. These are the 4 different daily rituals I want you to follow to achieve your goals faster and to become the best version of yourself. I know this is going to take at least 1 hour to every day, but yes, okay, this is going to completely streamline your action plan and focus on your ultimate goals. Thank you.